Hello everyone, this is the Warehouse Weather Guy, Jason, bringing you breaking news coverage of the big one, 2026. The models are finally dialing in and we're getting into the high-res forecasts. The overall coverage is going to be from Texas all the way up to the northeast coast here. Let's say we're looking something like this as we're moving across the country. It's about a 2,000 mile area. Here we are in Wheeling. We should see about 4.5 inches waking up Sunday morning, probably around 7 a.m. and then that's when the heavy stuff moves in. It'll probably be maybe around 1 p.m. We'll be somewhere in the neighborhood of 8 to 10 inches. And possibly by Monday evening, we'll probably be looking closer to 15 to 17 inches total. If you want to go conservative, I would say about a foot of snow, but I think we're going to get more than that. Temperatures are going to be cold. It's going to be a light powdery snow, and it's just going to blow everywhere. So if you get up Sunday morning and you see a lot of snow and you're scared, Ice Cube said, if you're scared, go to church. But in this case, I would recommend you stay home and watch it on TV because you ain't going nowhere.